Happy long weekend mga kapatid! Sa mga wala pang naiisip na treat sa sarili o sa pamilya at barkada, subukan nyo ang isang interactive shooting range sa Taguig. Tara, ride tayo dyan! Trip mo ba maging action hero at subukan ang inyong skills sa pagbarel while having fun? Posible yan dito sa isang shooting range sa Taguig na gamit ang interactive technology.
Ballistica is the first and only live fire simulator here in Southeast Asia. The vibes, the feeling of the store was all based from the movie John Wick. One of the guns that you can avail from us is the gun used in John Wick's movie. Most shooting ranges here or firing ranges here in the Philippines are mostly static targets. This is a bit modernized firing range. We have a total of 32 games. Each game you can practice your precision, your accuracy, your speed, and identification of targets. So we use real guns and bullets. We have a wide variety of pistols and submachine guns.
May iba't ibang packages na available, solo ka man o may ka-share at depende sa baril na gusto mong gamitin.
Alright mga kapatid, meron na tayong pass. Ito yung coin nila, di ba? Parang sa John Wick, ito yung pass din sa John Wick, di ba? Ito na. Ito na yung secret door nila. Mabigat.
Bago magsimula, mahalaga munang malaman ang dapat tandaan sa gun safety. Kabilang dyan ang proper gun handling o tamang paghawak ng baril.
Yan, finger out. And then left hand, this one nasa up. Okay, ganyan. Kailangan eye level lang. Ganyan. And then point to the target.
May papasuot ding protective gears. At simula na ng aksyon.
Oh my gosh!
Change game tayo, ma'am, or...
Yes! Change gun!
Magta-try tayo ngayon ng mga moving targets. Good!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ang lakas!
The last one is Zombie. The most popular game in shotgun naman.
Oh my gosh! It's okay naman. It's fun. It's easy. Medyo nakakagulat lang yung pagputok ng baril kasi we're talking about real guns.
Well, it's very entertaining. I like that the target is moving. It's like an actual shooting situation. It's very realistic. Yeah. Very different from, the traditional shooting ranges.
Isa na namang kakaiba at maaksyong activity ang pwede niyong gawin this weekend. Mga kapatid, samahan niyo ulit ako sa susunod nating adventure dito sa Ride Tayo Dyan! Mga kapatid, Jania Lipon po, laging maging updated sa latest sa entertainment and lifestyle para maging una sa balitaan. Bisitahin at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.